Let's explore how Beatport Link and SoundCloud Go Plus integrate with WeDJ. Now you can express yourself through music in a whole new way, choosing from millions of tracks to mix. Stream, create, and share the experience with your friends as you master the mix and create your own unique style. Beatport Link compatibility allows you to stream exclusive tracks from the biggest labels in electronic music directly from WeDJ. For detailed information on Beatport Link, please visit their website. If you have a SoundCloud Go Plus account, you can stream music from the service's huge user base of established and emerging artists, which includes tracks and remixes which you will not find on any other streaming service. For detailed information on SoundCloud Go Plus, please visit their website. Let's load a track onto a deck. Tap the Select Library icon. The default library at the top of the menu is your phone's music library. To switch to another library, simply select the service you want from this pop-up menu. You'll be redirected to a login window. Enter your account information to link your account to WeDJ. The tracks available on that service will appear within WeDJ, ready to be loaded. Tapping to the right of that track title will give you the option to add it to a playlist, or you can analyze the track straight away. When tapping to load a track into a deck, WeDJ can automatically analyze that track for BPM, key, and phrase information. If you're streaming a track from one of these services, the WeDJ logo in the center of the performance screen will change to display the relevant streaming service. Remember, you won't be able to record your mixes when using tracks from these services.